Right-click your microphone. Select Properties. Open the Levels tab. Raise your volume level and check if you can hear your mic. Now press Apply and then OK. Press OK. Now your problem should be fixed. First open Start and click on Settings. Open Settings. Click on Privacy. Click on Microphone. Enable microphone access for this device. Allow apps to access your microphone. Scroll down and check if your app can access your microphone. If your app is disabled, just turn it on. Enable this so your desktop apps can access your microphone. Now your problem should be fixed. Open Start and type Device Manager. Open your Device Manager. Expand audio inputs and outputs. Right-click your microphone. Click on Properties. Open the Driver tab. Click on Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for updated driver software. Wait for your drivers to be updated. You can also click on Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Click on Search for updates. Now wait for the updates to be installed. If that didn't, open Start and type Control Panel. Open U Control Panel. Click on Hardware and Sound. Click on Sound. Open the Recording tab. Select your mic. Now click on Set Default. If that didn't work, open Start and type Device Manager. Open your Device Manager. Expand audio inputs and outputs. Right-click your microphone. Click on Properties. Open the Driver tab. Click on Uninstall Device. Press Uninstall. Now restart. If that didn't work,